I had applied for iTunes affiliate program and that got rejected. Hey guys, so I have some good news to share with you. I had actually and this might actually help you as well. So I had applied for iTunes affiliate program like a couple of months back, and that got rejected. I was not approved. My application got rejected, and once again, yesterday or day before yesterday, I don't remember exactly, but I did apply it for iTunes affiliate program again with a separate Gmail ID, a different email ID, not Gmail, different email ID, and once again it got rejected. All right, as you can see right over here, it got rejected. All right, I'm not saying lie, it got rejected, and I got this rejection email where it says that something like, I don't remember, I'll put up the picture over here. It said that the URL of the website is not valid or it's not functioning well and things like that. It was mentioned something like that, and what I realized was there might be some error at their end, at their program. Maybe there might be some glitch in approval process at their end, at iTunes affiliate program end. So I replied to that email. All right, I just took a chance. I replied to that email and I replied something like this, as you can see right over here. I replied something like this, where it says that everything is right and confirmed, and the website is working from my end, and I don't know what's happening. So if there is anything else which you can highlight, do let me know, so that I can just make sure while I apply for the third time I don't get rejected. So that email was being sent in the morning, and then all of a sudden right now, as of now I'm recording, it's 2:45, 2:44 somewhere, and I've just received this email now. All right, I've received this email right over here which says it is being approved. The application is now approved, so I now can promote applications on iTunes. So at times now why I'm sharing this, at times what happens is we just forget the manual effort. We just we just trust the process, we just trust the systems which are working for us, and we just end up giving up. All right, we just give up. So don't give up, guys, don't give up. If there is some problem, go till the end, reach out manual efforts, reach out manual support, and I'm sure you'll find some other way. So my point over here is, stop pondering about problems, or stop pondering over the problems, and start thinking of the solutions. You'll definitely make it.